Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world around us, impacting various sectors in ways we never imagined before. One of the most significant areas being transformed is the field of education, where AI is making a profound impact. AI tools are being integrated into classrooms around the globe, enhancing the learning experience for students of all ages. These innovative tools offer exciting possibilities for both students and teachers, making learning more interactive and engaging. AI can personalize learning experiences, tailoring educational content to meet the unique needs of each student, and making education more accessible to everyone. Additionally, AI can assist teachers with administrative tasks, such as grading and data entry, which can be time-consuming. By automating these tasks, AI frees up more time for teachers to focus on what they do best, teaching and engaging with their students. AI can also create personalized learning plans for each student, ensuring that the educational journey is tailored to their individual needs and pace. This personalized approach ensures that all students are both challenged and engaged, regardless of their learning level. AI can provide students with immediate feedback on their work, helping them to understand their mistakes and learn more effectively. This timely feedback helps students to identify areas where they need to improve, fostering a more efficient learning process. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn and teach, creating a more dynamic, personalized, and efficient educational environment for everyone involved. One of the most significant advantages of AI in education is its ability to personalize learning experiences. Every student learns differently, and traditional teaching methods often struggle to accommodate these differences. With AI, however, we can create a more inclusive and effective learning environment. AI can tailor educational content to each student's unique needs, preferences, and learning styles. This customization ensures that each student receives the support they need to succeed. This means students can learn at their own pace, without feeling rushed or held back by the progress of their peers. They can revisit challenging concepts and move quickly through material they find easier. AI-powered learning platforms can track student progress in real time, providing valuable insights to both students and teachers. This data-driven approach helps in identifying learning gaps early on. They can identify areas where a student is struggling and offer targeted interventions. This proactive support can make a significant difference in a student's academic journey. The platform can then adjust the difficulty of the material accordingly, ensuring that students are neither bored nor overwhelmed. This adaptive learning keeps students engaged and motivated. This ensures that students are always challenged, but in a way that is appropriate for their current level of understanding. It fosters a growth mindset and encourages continuous improvement. It prevents them from becoming bored or overwhelmed, which can lead to disengagement and frustration. Instead, students remain focused and enthusiastic about their learning. Personalized learning can help to improve student outcomes significantly.